Charming 1-story, 2-bed/2-bath end-unit townhome in Summerwind. Open kitchen/dining/living with arched and trimmed cased openings and 9, 10, and cathedral ceilings. Granite countertops, tumbled tile backsplash and cherry cabinetry in kitchen. Upgraded master bath west/custom tile and glass walk-in shower, rain shower head and separate wand, with separately adjustable temp and volume. Tons of storage throughout, including upgraded closets west/wooden shelving. Screen porch west/utility room. Roof and siding are 1 year old.